Why every content creator needs a website. In today's creator economy, attention alone is not enough. Views come and go. Platforms change algorithms overnight. Accounts get demonetized, limited, or even banned. But one thing remains powerful and permanent: ownership. A website is the home base of a content creator. It is the only place where you control the audience, the branding, the monetization, and the narrative, without depending on a third-party platform. Social media is where people discover you. A website is where they commit to you. With a website, a content creator can present their brand professionally, not just as a username, centralize all content, links, and platforms in one place. Sell products, services, courses, or memberships directly. Collect emails and build a real audience they own. Look credible to brands, clients, and collaborators. Most creators lose money not because they lack talent, but because they lack infrastructure. A website turns content into a business asset. And today, building one no longer requires coding skills, big budgets, or technical stress. Tools like Olitt allow content creators to launch clean, professional websites in minutes, making it possible to move from just posting to building something that lasts. The first step is to create an account with Olitt if you don't already have one. Once your account is ready, head to your dashboard and click on Create a Website with AI. This option is designed to make the process fast and simple, even if you've never built a website before. After clicking it, Olitt will guide you through a short set of questions. These questions help the AI understand your business, your industry, or the type of content you create. Take your time and answer each question clearly and honestly. The better your answers, the better the website. Once you've completed the questions, you proceed to checkout. After that, Olitt generates a custom website based on your responses. This is where you can edit and tweak everything to your liking. You can change the text, update images, adjust colors, and rearrange sections to match your personal brand. If you want to add new sections or remove anything you don't need, you can do that as well. Nothing here requires coding. Everything is simple and visual. Once you're happy with how your website looks, preview it to make sure everything is working properly, especially on mobile. When everything checks out, click Publish. And just like that, you've created a clean, professional website with Olitt, ready to share with your audience or clients.